What's going on, everyone? So, I came home today to a pleasant surprise. Well, not really a surprise because I knew it was coming, but I didn't expect it to come at the time it did. Um, this is going to be the first time seeing and using an Apple Pencil. I ordered it from Best Buy. Got it for $95. So, you're going to see it the first time with me, so let's check it out. Alright, so this is just kind of an on-the-spot video. So I really wasn't even planning to do a video today, but this came and thought that you would like to check it out. So whenever you order from Best Buy, this is what you're going to be getting. And I know it's a little late in the game to be buying the first generation Apple Pencil, but I just got a regular 2018 iPad the other day, and I've been wanting to check out this pencil. So, give me just 1 second. Alright. Okay. So, now get with some bubble wrap, and boom, here you go. Cool. Not a lot to see. Pretty simple packaging. Alright, so let me cut into this. You can see on the box there it says plug it into your iPad. Alright, so this is just for you guys to see if you're curious what you get when you get the first generation Apple Pencil. I didn't want to spend a lot of time making a long video on this. Just a quick unboxing. Okay, and you have the tab there. It looks like it might just slide out. Okay, yep. And what does it say here? Designed by Apple in California. I'll lift this up. And there it is. So this is going to be my legitimate first impression of holding this. Okay, got another tab here. I've never held one. Okay. That is actually pretty nice to hold. It has some good weight to it. I don't even know what to really even compare it to. It's definitely heavier than any kind of ink pen or pencil I've ever held. It's pretty comfortable. I mean, as far as a pen or pencil go. You got the cap on the end. I do think that's a little silly. The way they decided to charge this. But hey. Okay. Alright, so the cap just kind of, I don't know if it's a magnet. It seems to like click right in there, so that's kind of nice. Okay, I don't know, there's this ring right here, and I'm kind of wondering if that doesn't act as some kind of something. Why would you have that ring there? Maybe it's like, huh. I will be checking that out. Has anybody else noticed this before? Because any kind of review, I've never seen anybody mention that. The tip is definitely a hard plastic. I've seen some people say that it's definitely fatter than like a pencil tip, but I kind of disagree. I mean, it really seems kind of like a normal pencil. The weight, though, adds a nice quality to it. So I've seen the new pencil, the second generation, people say that it's too light, and with the flat edge it doesn't feel very good and to hold. this feels pretty nice. I don't know what else we get in this box. Sorry that I'm not getting the best shots here. I'm using one hand to hold my phone to record this. Alright, so it looks like you get the adapter for charging, which is the way they should have done it anyway, and an extra tip. So instruction book on how to pair it, it looks like. Yeah, so nothing special in these booklets. I don't think that Steve Jobs would really approve of this design, but be looking out for my next review video of the iPad with the pencil. I just want to give my take on it. So there you go, the Apple Pencil, and I will be pairing this up with my iPad later and trying it out and see how I like it. So thank you guys for watching. Have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer any kind of question that you have. And if you like this video, give me a like. Thank you. Be easy.